guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to share with you our new monitor for our studio. This here is the Samsung CHG 90, the widest gaming monitor yet. Shooting at 49 inches, it's definitely the first in its class. Now, this video is sponsored by MyWiFi.tv, the best live TV application available for Android, OS X, iOS, and Windows. Check out their website now by clicking the link down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. This here is the massive, longest, and most largest computer monitor yet. It is the Samsung CHG 90, weighing at over 49 inches wide. It is the longest computer monitor, gaming monitor yet. Now, it says right here, it is a 32:9 super ultra wide, new metal quantum dot, HDR, curved 144 Hz refresh rate. Literally, it is the behemoth of all monitors. And we're gonna be installing this in our new studio, so I'm really excited to go ahead and show it to you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's on the inside. So let's just kind of jump right into this. I see that there's a box right over here, and then looks like we have almost like a mounting port. We have a lot of cables. Holy moly, we have a few different HDMI cables. So these are all HDMI cables. We have some USB cables. We have a power cord. We have a quick start guide, as well as a CD-ROM. So this here is everything that it comes with. So we got a variety of different pieces. So like this here is like a back panel. We have ourselves a mount. This here actually holds up the monitor. It's actually really solid feel. It does have a jack on the back here and has an LED that displays as well. So that's actually really nice. So let's go ahead and lift this up here. This thing is huge. I mean, look at it. This is probably the biggest monitor we've ever seen yet. I cannot wait to go ahead and put this up in the room. So let's set this thing up and see what it's all about. And this here is the end result. You have 50 inches of wide madness. Well, 49, but we're just gonna round it up anyways. I mean, this thing is insanely wide. Literally, I have to turn my head from one point of the screen to the other, and literally dragging your mouse from the left side does take a while. Now, it's actually a really cool eye-catching piece. I mean, I really love it, especially with multitasking. I mean, you can see that if I open up one screen, I can open up actually 3 or 4 different screens at a given time, and I can just multitask as much as I want. So that's actually really nice. Now, one downside of it is the quality itself. Now, you would imagine it being so wide, it is really, you know, it's not that bad in a sense, but it does shoot at 3840 in terms of the width goes, but the height's at 1080, which is very minimal scale compared to a lot of nowadays 4K screens. Now, you can go ahead and split it up, meaning on the back there are 2 ports, so you can actually run 2 computers simultaneously, so that'll help a lot with like LAN games. And then you can go ahead and fully adjust it, meaning you can go ahead and increase the height as well as decrease the height. You can go ahead and angle it up as well as down. So it does give you that full capability to go ahead and customize it to your liking. Now, it does have a backlight that shines against the wall. And then, yeah, the overall appearance of it is really amazing. Now, if you're looking for something that is just definitely different, this here is the monitor to go with, which is why I personally think this is one of the coolest monitors I've seen. Now, in terms of settings go, it's just typical compared to most of the gaming monitors. So you can go ahead and update all the different things from like the refresh rate, the picture mode. You can go ahead and just play with the different things in terms of like the equalizer and information of that nature. Now, my hope this kind of gives you an idea of what this monitor is about. I really think it is aesthetically very appealing. The only downside, like I said, is you know, the quality of the screen itself. Granted, this here is a completely different ballpark compared to other monitors, and it's definitely one of its own class. So it does require more refinement as well as more improvement, which I would imagine down the line we will be seeing that. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about the monitor itself, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.